Which of the following correctly represents exponentiation in Python? Correct answer, x **y. Explanation, ** is the exponentiation operator in Python. For example, 2 *3 equals 8. Why others are incorrect, circumflex, performs bitwise XOR, not exponentiation. Double circumflex, invalid syntax. Pow, x, y, function, not an operator, though it can compute power too. What is the result of 10/3 in Python? Correct answer, 3. Explanation, // performs floor division, returning only the integer part, 3. Why others are incorrect, 3.33, result of / division. 4. Rounds incorrectly. 3.0, would be float, but / returns integer for integer operands. What is the output of 15% 4? Correct answer, 3. Explanation, percentage symbol returns the remainder, 15 divide 4 which is equals 3 and remainder 3. Why others are incorrect, 4, divisor, not remainder. 11, subtracts divisor incorrectly. 0, only if divisible exactly. Which statement about operator precedence is correct? Correct answer, addition and subtraction have equal precedence. Explanation, operators addition and subtraction share the same precedence level and are evaluated left to right. Why others are incorrect, multiplication has higher precedence. Exponentiation has high precedence. Division has higher precedence than addition. Which has the highest precedence in Python expressions? Correct answer, parentheses. Explanation, operations inside parentheses are always evaluated first. Why others are incorrect, multiplication, addition, and exponentiation, all have lower precedence than parentheses. What is the data type of the value true in Python? Correct answer, bool. Explanation, true and false are Boolean values in Python. Why others are incorrect, str, for text. Int, not used unless converted. Float, for decimal numbers only. Which expression returns a float value? Correct answer, 10/5. Explanation, / always returns a float, even if division is even. Why others are incorrect, /, floor division returns integer. Percentage, returns remainder, integer. Asterisk, returns integer if both operands are integers. What will be the output of 3 plus 2 multiply 2? Correct answer, 7. Explanation, operator precedence, multiplication first, 3 plus 2 asterisk 2 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. Why others are incorrect, other options ignore operator precedence. Which of the following is a mutable data type? Correct answer, list. Explanation, lists can be modified after creation, mutable. Why others are incorrect, tuple, str, frozen set, immutable types. Which type conversion is valid in Python? Correct answer, in single quotes 10. Explanation, single quotes 10 can be converted to an integer successfully. Why others are incorrect, in single quotes 10 in alphabet, and, ABC, invalid numeric literals. 10.5.3, syntax error as it has multiple decimals. What is the result of single quotes 10 plus single quotes 3? Correct answer, 2 3. Explanation, string concatenation joins strings directly. Why others are incorrect, 5 and 6, numeric addition not possible with strings. Error, no error, works fine. Which of the following evaluates to false? Correct answer, bool double quotes and bool of big bracket. Explanation, empty strings slash lists evaluate to false. Why others are incorrect, 0 and false are non-empty strings, hence true. What does the expression 5 not equals 5 return? Correct answer, false. Explanation, exclamation mark and equals together means not equal to. Since 5 equals 5, result is false. Why others are incorrect, true, opposite result. 5 an error, not valid for this operator. Which operator is used for identity comparison? Correct answer, is. Explanation, is checks if both objects reference the same memory location. Why others are incorrect, double equals, compares values, not identity. Equals, assignment operator. Not equals, inequality comparison. Which of these is a valid complex number declaration? Correct answer, C equals 2 plus 3j. Explanation, Python uses j or j for the imaginary part. Why others are incorrect, I, k, invalid identifiers. Complex, 2 plus 3, wrong syntax as it needs 2 arguments. Which of the following statements is invalid? Correct answer, z equals 0456. Explanation, in Python 3, numbers with leading zeros are not allowed unless they represent octal values, which must be written using the prefix 00. For example, 00456 is valid, but 0456 is invalid syntax. Why others are incorrect, x equals 10 underscore 000, valid, underscores improve readability in numeric literals. Y equals 0xff, valid hexadecimal literal, 255 in decimal. What is the output of bool of 0? Correct answer, false. Explanation, in Python, 0 values, 0, 0.0, 0j, evaluate to false when converted to a boolean. Why others are incorrect, true, non-zero values become true, not 0. 0, this is the input value, not a Boolean result. None, returned when a function has no return statement, not here. Which operator performs bitwise n? Correct answer, symbol AND. Explanation: the AND operator performs a bitwise AND operation. It compares each bit of two integers and returns 1 only if both bits are 1. Why others are incorrect: pi symbol, bitwise OR, returns 1 if either bit is 1. Tilde, bitwise NOT, inverts bits. Circumflex, bitwise XOR, exclusive OR. What is the output of tilde 10? Correct answer, -11. Explanation: the bitwise NOT operator inverts all bits of a number. Mathematically, it equals dash x plus 1. So, 10 equals dash 10 plus 1 equals -11. Why others are incorrect: 9, incorrect, that would be -10. 10, misses the plus 1 inversion rule. 11, opposite of expected result. Which operator in Python checks membership? Correct answer, in. Explanation: the in operator checks if an element exists within a collection like a list, tuple, or string. Example, a in cat, true. Why others are incorrect, is, checks identity, if two objects refer to the same memory location. Double equals, checks equality of values. Pi, bitwise OR, unrelated to membership. What will type 3.0 return? Correct answer, class float. Explanation: in Python, numbers with a decimal point are represented as float type, floating point numbers. Why others are incorrect: int, used for whole numbers without decimals. Double, not a Python data type, used in other languages like C/C++. Number, not a valid built-in type in Python. What is the result of Python *2? Correct answer, Python. Explanation: string repetition operator * duplicates the string. Why others are not correct: rest other options are not correct. If a function in Python doesn't return a value explicitly, what does it return by default? Explanation: a Python function without a return statement returns none by default. Why others are not correct: int, bool, void, Python does not use these as default return types. Which Python data type stores values as key value pairs? Explanation: the dictionary, data type in Python stores data in key value pair format. Why others are not correct: list, tuple, store ordered sequences, not key value mappings. Class, used for object-oriented programming, not for storing data directly. What does the bitwise XOR operation for circumflex 13 evaluate to? Explanation: in binary 4 equals 0100, 13 equals 1101, so 0100 circumflex 1101 equals 1001, which equals 9. Why others are not correct? 17, 61, 0.75, incorrect bitwise results.